Welcome back to the Wallet Types video series, a collection of short, focused videos to help you understand and protect your crypto and Web3 wallets. In this short video, we'll explore one of the most commonly used, and often misunderstood, wallet types in crypto, the hot wallet. A hot wallet stays connected to the internet, allowing you to send, receive, and trade assets instantly. In crypto, hot wallets are your gateway to convenience, perfect for daily transactions, DeFi activity, and NFT trading. But that same convenience comes with exposure. Because they're always online, hot wallets are more vulnerable to phishing, malware, and malicious approvals. Understanding how they work, the platforms they run on, and how to minimize their risks is essential to balancing speed with safety in your digital asset management. Let's look at where hot wallets shine, and where they need caution. First, daily transactions. Hot wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Phantom make sending or receiving crypto fast and easy. But remember, their always online nature means higher exposure to attacks. Next, DeFi interaction. Hot wallets connect directly to decentralized exchanges, yield farms, and dApps through services like Wallet Connect or Rabby. Always review transaction approvals carefully before confirming. Some contracts request unlimited access to your tokens. For NFT trading, wallets like MetaMask, Rainbow, or Coinbase Wallet let you mint, buy, and sell collectibles. But be alert for fake mint sites or links in Discord or Twitter, they're common traps. Hot wallets are also great for quick crypto payments, whether mobile or browser-based. Just use small amounts, never store your entire balance in a mobile wallet. And finally, bridging or swapping. Web3 wallets connected to bridges help you move tokens between networks, but always verify URLs and bridge signatures to avoid fake or malicious sites. Important note, the platforms mentioned in this video are examples of commonly used hot wallets, not endorsements. Always verify official sources and do your own research before choosing your wallets. If you're finding this content helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep creating free educational content to help you protect your crypto and Web3 assets. Thanks. Now, let's go over some of the most common threats facing hot wallet users, and how to prevent them. Phishing sites are one of the biggest dangers. Fake wallet pages and dApps steal seed phrases or approvals. Always type URLs manually or use trusted bookmarks. Malicious browser extensions are another risk. They mimic legitimate wallets or tools. Only download extensions from verified official sources. Fake token approvals are a hidden threat. Scam contracts often request unlimited access to your funds, review and revoke unnecessary approvals regularly. Clipboard hijackers and malware can replace copied wallet addresses without you noticing. Always double-check the address before confirming a transaction. Fake airdrops or NFTs may look harmless but can trigger approval pop-ups. Never interact with unknown tokens or claim links you didn't verify. And finally, device theft or compromise. If your phone or computer is lost or infected, your wallet is exposed. Always enable biometrics, use a PIN lock, and add hardware-level protection when possible. This was a short introduction to hot wallets, convenience meets risk in the crypto world. To test what you've learned, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com and take a short quiz to check your hot wallet safety knowledge. And if you'd like to go deeper, explore the 3-wallet model, your guide to structuring crypto and Web3 assets safely for daily use, active trading, and long-term storage. For more free lessons, downloadable resources, and security-focused videos, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control, and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.